Back on the blend this morning, we have Katrina Hofstetter with us with Cornerstone Legal. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, so today we are going to talk about one of the services that you offer, which is business planning. So what types of businesses or business owners do you really cater your services to?
Probably more of the small businesses and then a lot of real estate investors. Those are going to be the business owners that are looking to protect their investments, and then they really want to limit their liability out there.
Yeah.
Talk more about how a business can protect themselves when they're planning.
Well, one of the most common ways that real estate investors are going to utilize business planning is by setting up a separate LLC for each property.
Oh.
And then if they all, yes,
See?
it's
We
really
learn.
fancy. And then if they also have a property management company, because sometimes they outsource it, sometimes they do it themselves.
Okay.
If they have a property management company, they'll have a separate entity for that as well. So all of these different LLCs. And then the benefit of that separation is that any liability at each entity is going to be limited to the assets in the entity. Kind of think of it like a bubble of protection.
Yeah.
So then if there's a debt or some type of a legal claim against the entity and it exceeds the insurance, it exceeds the value of the assets, they can't go after the other owners, other personal assets. So.
I'm going to ask you this, and I know the answer to it, I think, but you need an attorney to do this, right?
Yeah, you've asked me that before. I'm always going to advise get an attorney if there's legal documents involved.
Yes, why would you even not consider it?
Yeah.
I mean, the risk there.
Well, the liability protection is very dependent on underlying legal documents.
Yeah.
It's so easy to just go file articles with the state and you kind of don't know there's underlying documents that you need as well.
Right, and that's why someone who does this every day like you do and knows all those angles where potential scenarios, because you've seen so many of those
Yes.
scenarios play out and you're just looking to protect your clients.
Yes.
How do we get in touch with you?
You can go to my website. There are a lot of resources out there. And then you can always call or email. You can text my business line. I'm very accessible.
What is it that you love about this work that you do?
I like the relationships. I really do, because people are wanting to work with me and they're wanting to do something positive to invest in their future.
Right, right. Protecting the business.
You're good at what you do. Thank you for coming into the blend. We're going to put your information on the screen. Cornerstone Legal, PLLC. You can go to their website, cornerstonelegalpllc.com, or you can give Katrina a call at 708-2